Okay, let's talk now about the materials. The one that I use, the 1-inch wooden rods, some cheap brew sticks that I found. They're building beautiful notes, but that's not exactly the cheapest solution for. In a search for a cheaper one, I just bought some wooden boards. They were 1 by 12 inch, and I cut some stripes, so I made some 1 by 1s, and it works beautifully. See? In fact, this system supports dimensions from 3/4 inch till 1.5 with no problem. And even if you want to use bigger dimensions, you have to cut some angles. See? And not only works well, but I even think it's beautiful. And just an experiment, I had some branches cut in the garden over here. And how about that? Hey! So, next point, which is kind of important, are the screws. There are two kind of wood screws that are fitting my system very well. They're called round washer screws or truss screws. But anyway, I'm gonna also put some links into the description about the screws and some pictures about the materials you can use. And I can barely wait to see what you're building. Thank you, people.